Today we've come to the other side of the River Derwent, the opposite side to where the guys got trapped in the forest a few years ago. For a reason. We want to look at a place called Mokele-mbembe. Pretty insignificant name, you might think, you know, initially when you're looking on a map, but I've done quite a bit of research into the names on these maps, and Mokele, spelt M-A-W, is quite significant. It really is. When you actually look at it in Viking terminology, the Mor represented more than just a mere word, a simple word. The Mor, we're literally in the realm of Jaws. Mokele and the Mor represent the hound of hell.